Hey guys, and welcome to a new unboxing. Tonight. Well, today is technically Black Friday, so I went to Best Buy and, well, like I said in the other video, I wanted to get Hellsing, so here it is. Hellsing. V-VIII series part 5 and 8. Now, the reasons why I wanted to get this anime is because it's so kick-ass show, and a lot of people love it, and yeah, it's just so amazing, and it's only like overpriced. It's overpriced, but hey, we all need to support a good show, and I do want to see the end of it. So yeah, here we have Alucard to the cover, where we have here his master. I forgot her name. I forgot her name. Lana. No. Integra. Sorry, Integra. In his back. We also have here some extra images of what will come in this episode. Also, we have here still some extra features which are quite amazing. I heard US trailer, episode commentary, and all these other great stuff. And we even have here a little specialty, and it looks like we have over 2 hours special feature. It's quite amazing. Special features right here. Right here. You can definitely see like over 2 hours. It's quite amazing. I heard like a lot of good comments on this. So let's open this thing with a good sword. Well, what good sword is this? What good sword can this? This sword here. Okay. Let's punch a hole through this. And let's see what's inside this nice cover. I was also thinking about getting Hellsing V-VIII 1 and 2. Oh yeah, oops, I forgot this was a sticker. I'm gonna keep the sticker. You know what, try not to ruin the sticker at the back, because it's always fun to have. Okay, hold on. Sorry it's taking such a long time for unboxing this. Just wanted to be a good piece. Okay. So this all comes apart nicely. This is a sticker, I'm gonna keep that. Framework, what a nice one. And the big box set itself. Alucard. Again, Integra, Wingate's Hellsing, and Ceres Victoria. Always nice inside. We have still here. Oh god, hear the sound. Sorry, it's just my parents in the background you can hear. So this is season 1. Push that aside. And here we go, season 2. Be prepared to get prepared. Back, same deal. The inside, quite nice. As usual, the basic Funimation postcard, and always want to support it. Hellsing CDs, 1, 2, 3. So it's technically like the same deal like in the other, like Sengoku Basara. So 3 discs added in. And here's the artwork itself. Anderson and Zoran Blitz and Ceres. So yeah, that's technically it for this unboxing, and hope that you guys hope you guys think it's supporting. Yeah, because I'm a good supporter of these shows. So yeah, see you later.